In Dallas, sudden rainstorms are a regular part of life. One moment it's sunny, and the next, heavy rain and strong winds roll through. For homeowners, this can make it challenging to keep fresh air flowing without letting water into the home. That's where awning windows stand out. Designed with both functionality and weather resistance in mind, awning windows are an excellent solution for handling Dallas rainstorms while maintaining comfort indoors. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a sloped, protective barrier, much like a small awning. This unique design is what makes them especially effective during rainy conditions. When the window is open, the angled sash helps deflect rain away from the opening, allowing you to enjoy ventilation even during light to moderate storms. One of the biggest advantages of awning windows in Dallas is the ability to maintain airflow without compromising your home's interior. During humid or rainy days, fresh air circulation is essential for comfort. Traditional windows often need to be closed when it rains, trapping stale, humid air inside. Awning windows solve this problem by letting air in while keeping rain out, helping your home stay fresh and comfortable. This ventilation also plays a role in managing indoor humidity. Dallas storms can bring heavy moisture, and without proper airflow, that humidity can build up inside your home. Awning windows allow you to release damp air and bring in fresh air, reducing the risk of musty odors, condensation, and even mold growth. This is especially beneficial in areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and basements where moisture tends to accumulate. Another important feature is their tight seal when closed. Awning windows are designed to press firmly against the frame, creating a strong barrier against wind-driven rain. In Dallas, where storms can be accompanied by gusty winds, this secure seal helps prevent water infiltration and protects your home from leaks. When properly installed, awning windows provide reliable protection against the elements. Durability is also key when dealing with unpredictable weather. Modern awning windows are built with materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, all of which are resistant to moisture, warping, and corrosion. These materials ensure that your windows continue to perform well over time, even after repeated exposure to rain and changing weather conditions. Energy efficiency is another benefit that complements their weather-resistant design. The same tight seal that keeps rain out also helps prevent air leaks. This means your home stays cooler during hot, humid days and more comfortable overall. In Dallas, where energy costs can rise during peak seasons, having windows that support efficiency can make a noticeable difference. Awning windows are also versatile in their placement. They can be installed higher on walls to allow for privacy while still providing ventilation, or paired with larger fixed windows to create a balanced design. This flexibility makes them a practical choice for various rooms throughout your home. Ease of use is another advantage homeowners appreciate. Awning windows typically operate with a simple crank mechanism, making them easy to open and close as weather conditions change. If a sudden rainstorm hits, you can quickly adjust the window without hassle. Maintenance is minimal, which is especially helpful in a climate that includes frequent storms. High-quality awning windows are designed to resist dirt buildup and water damage, requiring only occasional cleaning to keep them looking and functioning their best. Ultimately, awning windows offer a smart solution for Dallas homeowners who want to stay comfortable during unpredictable weather. Their ability to provide ventilation during rain, resist water intrusion, and support energy efficiency makes them a valuable addition to any home. If you're looking for windows that can handle Dallas rainstorms without sacrificing comfort or style, awning windows are a reliable and practical choice. With the right installation and materials, they help you enjoy fresh air and peace of mind, no matter what the weather brings.